Hey there, fellow online moneymakers. Welcome back to Pivot Online, the channel where we explore the hottest opportunities to make money in the digital world. Today, we're about to uncover a game-changing method that could earn you a whopping $3.30 with every single click over and over again. TubiTV.com, the first key to the puzzle. Now let's dive into the heart of this money-making strategy. Our key platform for today's method is Tubi TV, the go-to spot for movie buffs and binge watchers seeking free, legal streaming. Yes, you read that right. It's free, legal entertainment right at your fingertips. Tubi TV's unique approach involves cleverly inserting ads and commercials into the content you watch. These short ad breaks power the platform, enabling them to provide a massive collection of movies and TV shows without any subscription fees. So, while you explore a vast selection of your favorite films and series, you're also supporting content creators and the platform itself with each click. It's a win-win situation for both viewers and the industry. Tubi TV is entirely legitimate, offering high-quality content across various genres, from action and drama to comedy and romance. Say goodbye to pirated or low-quality streams. Tubi TV is the first piece of the puzzle in our journey to convert clicks into money. With its extensive library of entertainment and this exciting monetization strategy, it's a winning combination with our next website. ADFOC.US, the money machine. Let's delve into the details of converting clicks into cash with the help of ADFOC.US, our essential tool for boosting your online earnings. ADFOC.US simplifies this process by shortening your URLs, and each click on these links directly contributes to your earnings. What makes ADFOC.US a game changer for our strategy is its competitive payment rates, which vary depending on the country from which the clicks originate. For instance, clicks from the United States can bring in up to $150 for every 1,000 clicks, and for the very first visit, you can earn over $26. Clicks from India have the potential to generate up to $12, while those from the Philippines and Nigeria also contribute $8 for every 1,000 clicks. On average, you can expect to earn an impressive $22.80 for every 1,000 clicks across various countries. These earnings can accumulate quickly as clicks continue to flow. Now, you might be wondering about the process of withdrawing your earnings. ADFOC.US makes it simple with a low withdrawal threshold of just $10. This ensures that you can easily access the money you've earned. Ready to get started? It's a straightforward process. Click on the Sign Up option at the top of the page, and you can register for free. Once registered, you'll gain access to a user-friendly dashboard that offers a clear overview of your clicks and earnings, ensuring a smooth and transparent experience as you boost your online income. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Fusion. How does the two websites work hand in hand? Let's delve into how Tubi TV and ADFOC.US work harmoniously, elevating your earning potential. You're already acquainted with Tubi TV, a remarkable source of free and legal content. Now let's uncover how this incredible platform can be your ally in maximizing your clicks and, in turn, your income. Tubi TV's unique charm lies in its inclusion of advertisements and commercials within the content you stream, effectively generating revenue. Enter ADFOC.US, the pivotal player in this money-making equation. Here's the seamless choreography. Step 1. Picture this. You've selected an anime movie or series on Tubi TV. You hit play and let the web page remain open. Step 2. Now, navigate to ADFOC.US, the earning tool we've introduced. Sign up effortlessly and gain access to your dashboard, your control center for tracking clicks and earnings. Step 3. Copy the URL of the Tubi TV webpage featuring your selected content. This URL is your golden ticket to earning money. Step 4. Return to ADFOC.US and employ the tool to condense the URL you've copied. What emerges is a condensed, user-friendly link, poised for sharing. Step 5. The magic unfolds as you begin sharing this shortened URL. Each time someone clicks on this link, they're directed to Tubi TV's page. Yet, there's a twist. They won't dive straight into the content. Instead, they'll encounter a brief advertisement or sponsored website courtesy of adfoc.us. This is where the revenue stream initiates. Step 6. Following a brief wait, usually around 5 seconds, viewers encounter the skip button. Activating this button propels them to the original content on Tubi TV, enabling them to enjoy the movie or series without any charges. Step 7. Now let's discuss the best part. What's in it for you? Each time someone clicks on your adfoc.us shortened URL and follows through this process, you earn money. The rates differ based on the originating country of those clicks, making it a win-win situation for all parties involved. Step 8. The cherry on top, you need only amass $10 in earnings to withdraw your money from adfoc.us. This process is straightforward, hassle-free, and immensely rewarding. In essence, by seamlessly uniting Tubi TV's legal ad-supported content with adfoc.us's URL shortening and revenue-generating capabilities, you're unlocking a gateway to a new realm of online earnings. With each click, you're taking a step closer to bulging pockets and a brighter financial future. adfoc.us easy withdrawal process. Now, as you embark on the journey to monetize your Tubi TV clicks via adfoc.us, let's address the crucial aspect of withdrawing your earnings. After accumulating money from each click, it's time to pocket those earnings. The good news is that adfoc.us has streamlined and simplified the withdrawal process. You only need a minimum of $10 in earnings to initiate a withdrawal. This means that as you continue sharing those shortened URLs and generating clicks, you'll reach this threshold quickly. When you decide to cash out, adfoc.us offers multiple payment methods to cater to your preferences. Whether you prefer transferring earnings to your PayPal account, receiving them in Bitcoin, or selecting from various gift card options, the choice is yours. This flexibility ensures convenient access to your hard-earned money. The Pivot Online Verdict. Now we've reached the end of this incredible money-making journey. You've learned how to combine the legal and free content of Tubi TV with the revenue-generating power of adfoc.us to earn money with each click. It's a truly innovative and lucrative approach, and the potential for earning is boundless. But remember, the key to success is consistency. The more you share, the more you click, and the more you earn. Keep exploring opportunities, stay informed, and stay engaged with our Pivot Online community. We're here to guide you on your path to financial freedom, one click at a time. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.